Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today's video is, by the title, it's an unboxing video, and I have bought this package from Lachicwick, and it is an Instagram page, and this is the first time I am buying something from this page. I ordered this package on 28th November. Yeah, that's a long time. I asked them about the shipping and all of that. They said that it will take 15 to 25 days. I requested them that I want this package before 25th December. They said they will try. Then after that there was holidays and all of that. The shipment got delayed for a long time, and I received it on 9 January. Today is 12 Jan. I haven't opened this package yet. Today is 12 and tomorrow 13th this video will be up. So just because I am not happy with the shipping and all of that, it delayed for a long time. I'm really upset about this. But I thought that I should share this with you guys, that I love buying makeup, but it's really expensive when you buy from an Instagram store because they actually charge customs and all of that. And this is the Morphe 39A Day to Create palette, and oh my god, I was really happy that they launched this one, and it is a limited edition, I think so. I don't care, I have this now. I'm really actually afraid about the packaging because it looks quite flimsy, and I don't think I hope my eyeshadows are perfectly fine. There is no broken eyeshadows because I will cry like a baby. Anyways, I'm really excited to share my thought with you guys. I'm really excited to share my thought with you guys. I'm really unhappy with the shipping and the delaying, all of that, but I hope they have packaged it really well. And I have seen lots of YouTubers buying from there. One of my favorite YouTubers from Kolkata, SOHINI, bought lots of things from there, and I've seen lots of YouTubers. Anyways, so I'm really excited to share my thoughts about this page, and I have thought that I will be actually buying a lot of things from different pages, and I will review them because lots of you guys request me from where should you buy authentic makeup products, and I think this page is one of them, and so as Hina's page. And an amazing news, Hina has her own website. You can go check it out. It has 15% discount code. I hope so. If you follow Hina, you will know. Anyways, I will leave the link down below. You can buy it from her website as well. But this is another page, and let's hope for the best. And yeah, let's open this up. And I hope you guys like my eye look. I am really happy with this eye look, and if you want to see a tutorial on this, do let me know in the comment section below. And I hope you guys like a little bit on my head as well because I tried to do something new. I got something else. This is, I think, a sample or something like that. This is by Neutrogena. This is Healthy Volume Mascara, I think so. Yes, this is a mascara. Oh my god, this looks so stunning. Oh my god. Oh my god. Thank you. Anyways, okay, this is the packaging, guys. I'm really excited, but let me see. They have newspapers, they have their Lachicwick card. This is sorry we are late. This card means a lot, and sorry we are late, and that means a lot. Anyways, I have a Dior sample perfume. This one. Okay, let me try. Nice, really nice. Thank you for this cute samples. Okay guys, now let's see how is the packaging. Oh my god, this is so amazing. This is so huge. Okay, I'm hoping for the best, you guys. It comes with a bubble wrap. Dun, dun, dun. this is the packaging. This is so pretty. Oh my god, you guys. Are you guys excited? I'm really excited and nervous. I hope nothing is broken. I hope nothing is broken. Oh my god, this is so stunning, you guys. Be your own muse, we dare you. Oh my god, this is so stunning. Nothing is broken. I love the packaging. Thank you so much. Okay, this is the shades. How pretty are they? Oh my god. Guys, I'm really excited to try all of the shades, but unfortunately I have some eyeshadows on my eyes. So if you want me to create something really elegant and a very nice eye look, then do let me know in the comment section below. Like, this is such an amazing palette, you guys. I can make, like, I can do so many eye looks with this. They have huge pans of transition shades in the middle. They have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them. This is so stunning. Oh my god. Okay, but let's swatch some of them. Okay, first I will swatch one transition shade, and it is called Define Me. It's a beautiful warm, that is so creamy. That is so creamy, you guys. Oh my god, that is super creamy. Okay, let's swatch this golden. This is called Artistic. Let's watch this. These are so creamy, you guys. Oh my god, it's a beautiful shade. Anyway guys, this is my Morphe Dare to Create 39A eyeshadow palette, and I will be doing a first impression on my eyes. And I forgot to mention that I bought this palette at a discount price. I bought it at rupees 2,900, and I was really upset about the delaying and all of that, but they have packed it really well, and with some small gifts. I really liked it, and yes, I am definitely impressed with the packaging and all of that. So I will be recommending you this page. They do sell authentic makeup products only. So yeah, thank you Lachicwick for this amazing packaging and all of that, and I think the next time there will be no delaying and all of that. But if you pre-order, you have to wait for a month or so. If there is no holidays or anything like that, then I think they will not delay in shipping. But if you want to pre-order, take your time and pre-order. It will take some time. So yes, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys like this mini unboxing with me, and if you like this video and if you want me to do a very nice eye makeup look with this palette, do give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you again on my next video. Till then, take care. Bye guys.